Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video. I feel like it's a good day. It's Friday, it's the end of the work week, so let's just get straight into the unboxing. What is this? Oh, it's a stocking. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me zoom out. That's as zoomed out as I can be, unfortunately. But with the lens cap. You see, it's like a legit stocking. It's a kawaii styled stocking. I know I had some comments where people were saying a lot of the character themes that Kawaii Box releases is their own character. I agree, it's a lot of it. I mean, it's cute, but yeah, I understand. It's not like it's Sanrio or Sanex, but it is still really cute stocking. I don't actually have a stocking because you guys know my family doesn't really do Christmas in the traditional sense. I'm like, wow, this is so cool. I don't even know what to do with it. Wow, okay, that was a really nice surprise. So now we've got some Pokemon treats. Actually, where is there's usually like a pamphlet or something that describes each of the items. I think it's right at the bottom. That's fine. We'll just wing it. Pikachu. Okay, chocolate. I guess it's just chocolate crackers. I feel like I've gotten something really similar to this, like either in a Kawaii Box or an Inku. I can't remember, but I feel like I've gotten something very similar. And then we've got this cinnamon roll. Don't know if that's the right way to pronounce it. Someone mentioned that I wasn't pronouncing it correctly. I'm sorry if I don't pronounce things the way that you expect them to be pronounced. I'm just pronouncing them the way I'm used to, so you'll just have to forgive me. But like cinnamon roll. I mean, it is cinnamon roll. I mean, how else would you say that? Cinnamon roll. Oh, maybe it's cinema roll. I don't know. I feel like because I see like cinema, so I just go like cinnamon roll, but actually a cinema roll. Maybe that's it. All right, I have to like adjust the way, like, you know, when you're so used to saying something one way, and now when you're like, oh, okay, take a second, read it, digest. Oh, it's a bit different. I feel like by default I might still pronounce it the old way, but I will try. Anyways, this is a really, really cute plushie. I'm a big fan of this cinema roll. I'm gonna just keep calling myself out on it. I'm just a big fan. It's just such a cute puppy. So cute. Hey, I feel like I've seen this pen like so many times. This is like the third time I've seen this pen in a box. I don't know if it was Kawaii Box, but I'm pretty sure at one point Kawaii Box released this like candy cane pen. Yeah. Well, there you go. It is there again. I wish they'd pick something a little different. That would have been nice, but it is what it is. And then we've got like some hair clips, beautiful hair clips. I don't think I give it to my niece. My niece is going through a bit of a phase where she's not really into girly things as much anymore, and she's like wearing black, and she wants to be like very tomboyish. So I think she's just like shifting through different phases of her life. But two of my best friends have little kids under the age of 4, and one of them is a very, very girly girl, so I think she would love this. Her name's Lexi, so I'll be giving this to Lexi. She will love it. I think she just started ballet lessons today, so very excited. Is this an edible cookie? No, that's crazy, right? Yeah, no, it can't be. It's not. It's like a keychain or a Christmas ornament of gingerbread made out of polymer clay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like clay or something. Oh, there we go. It literally says Christmas ornament, and I just don't read. This is cute. Very Christmassy. Oh, and we've got a desk calendar for 2021. I just ordered one from Stick With Me shop because I love the Stick With Me collection. And then I ordered a wall calendar from the Coffee Monster Co. So those are the two calendars. I'm going to have probably the Stick With Me on my desk, the wall calendar on the wall. But if we ever go back to the office, maybe I'll use this for work. I just like having those little calendars on my desk. It just kind of reminds you of what the day is and its timing. And then I think this is the last item because the one at the bottom is just the instructional pamphlet of what's in the kit. Can't pick it up for some reason. Yeah, I think this is it. So the last one are stickers. Little panda stickers. And penguin and panda and snowman. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, okay, so this was indeed the December box. I'm just looking through to make sure I've got everything and covered everything, and I think I have. So that is everything in Kawaii Box's December box. I really like this box, it's very festive. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.